Greetings, supply chain enthusiasts. Martin here. And today we're on a mission to uncover the hidden value in your SAP system. So buckle up and let's get started. In this video, we're going to broach a hot topic, and it became quite controversial, frankly. It's around the critical question, how often should I run MRP? I think I know the answer, but let's ask someone who's in the field being asked this exact question by the organizations all the time. Jason, I can't tell you how much I hear this question over and over. You deal with this every day. You know the answer. Take us away.
No joke, Martin. This has become a question I'm asked to weigh in on regularly. I suppose we could take the easy way out and say it depends. I love that answer. And to a certain extent it does, but there's some good guidelines, some important questions an organization should ask themselves. So today we're going to dive into the system and highlight a few things you can do to prepare for a world with MRP Live, or even classic MRP run more frequently than overnight. I'm going to focus on two really important things, and the first measures the second. The processing indicator for those of us still on ECC or running classic MRP, and the second is around the importance of daily habits, so you can get to a place where you can run and review MRP more frequently. So let's go in and take a look. So our going in position is always to run MRP once per day, as close to the start of business as possible. And unless you have a robust daily cadence of exception monitoring already in place, anything more runs the risk of playing exception whack-a-mole. And while that's a fun arcade game, it's really no way to run a supply chain. Just think about it. The picture can be changing constantly. New orders are coming in all the time, potentially from all over the world, at all hours of the day, and inventory is constantly moving. Trying to manage exceptions in real time in that type of environment is daunting, even for the most mature organization. So we want to reduce the noise and churn, establish consistent daily habits in order to create a stable planning environment to work with. Okay, so we've established our once daily MRP run. Now what? First off, cadence keeps the chaos away. I think we're going to copyright that phrase, we use it so often. It all starts with consistent daily habits. When you come into the office, step one is check and address your exceptions. Maybe you can flip on the coffee pot first, but in the world of single serve coffee, who even does that anymore? So start your day with exceptions. Let's jump into SAP and take a look. I've displayed ZMD06, which shows the exceptions as of the last MRP run.